Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and it's Friday, October 10th. Thank God it's Friday. Well, we lived through a record-breaking week on Wall Street. I think volume and price-wise. Records always seem to be broken, but we broke this one on the downside. Before I get started with the market, I want to give a shout-out to all my former colleagues down at the New York Stock Exchange for a bang-up job that they have done this week in maintaining these markets under unbelievably emotional stress and just enormous activity. How they were able to get these stocks open on time every day and keep an orderly market going all day long. Job well done, guys. I'm proud of you. Okay, let's get to the markets. Now, a lot of people want to think that we had this big reversal day, and in some of the indexes we did have a reversal day. Is it the bottom? I don't know. You know, we had a little chaos. I'm sure no one's computer worked for half an hour this morning. I know mine didn't. Spits and spats. This is why you need to put your orders in earlier before the market opens on very big volume days. But those guys down there at the exchange really kept things going pretty good, so there was no chaos yet. A little bit. Now, you know, I'm all about patterns and formations. And in the indexes, I still see the same pattern, and that's the pattern of lower lows and lower highs. So until we start to see higher highs and higher lows, I can't say that the bottom is in. And it's really not our job here to pick a bottom. We're looking for formations, because even if the market has reached the bottom, that doesn't necessarily say that they're going to go back up again. We could have a very slow recovery. Now, I remember in '87 the recovery was fast and furious, because that Monday morning we had lost every penny that we had made all year long in that one day. And then by the end of December, by the end of the year, which was only 3 months away, we got it all back and doubled it, because of the trading opportunities were enormous. I don't know if that's going to be the case this time around or not. You know, a lot of these stocks are down, big. I don't see any bases being built yet or any kind of formation that say they're ready to turn the corner. Granted, they may be at their lows, but they're certainly not ready to turn up yet. So, and we're not going to buy anything until we know that they're ready to rally. Okay, I have another idea. This is probably the last one. I know I said that last night, but I tweaked out one more short call for you tonight. And then we'll take a look at 99-cent store, the one that we shorted today, and then we'll take a look at the major indexes, but it'll be a quick look because nothing's changed, you know. I'll point out a couple interesting things, but other than that, you know, formation is still lower lows and lower highs. Okay, the idea for Monday morning is TCB. It's a bank, and it looks like it's on its way lower, as a lot of the banks still look like they haven't really put in their lows. I mean, look what happened to Morgan Stanley today. So not everything is at the bottom yet. I think there's still some more work to be done, but we are getting closer and closer. There's no question about that. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look at the chart in TCB. I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of TCB. This is a call on the short side. We'll be looking to sell the stock short tomorrow between 1640 and 1740. That's as high as this. And I think there's a chance that it could rally that last dollar up into here. I don't know for sure, but I kind of think it will. So on any rally in the morning up to around 1740 would be a great spot to put it out. But you know, we've already gotten our kickback rallies, so most of the rallies behind it might have just a little bit more. Target on the downside, $10 a share, right down here. Buy stop 19.99. That would be a close above that level right there. What do I see? I'm sure you guys are starting to see this without me even showing them to you. This is that descending triangle look again. But remember, when you're picking them out, the first support needs to get broken before they get going. That was the first support. It broke it, kicked back into it, came back down, made another lower low. Broke that support, and now it's kicking back again. That's why I want to take advantage of this kickback to get this short off. But it could rally another dollar into this Monday morning before she rolls over. No guarantees on that, though. It's the look that we're shorting. It's the pattern that we're shorting. Okay. Okay. Let me recap this. This is TCB. This is a call on the short side. And when it's all said and done, depending on where we get this off, we can make ourselves $6 or $7 on this trade. All right, let's take a look at 99-cent store. It's shaping up pretty good. You know, it broke down early this morning with the big sell-off, and then it came back. I put it out at $9.45. It closed at $9.86, but the picture is still very much negative. You know, today's action just adds to the negativity of it, because what it did was it broke below that level there. All right, it kicks back into it, but, you know, they always kick back, so that shouldn't come as any surprise. So we'll put that into our portfolio, and hopefully within a week or two, we'll be bringing the register down here around $6, $5.50 a share for us. All right, let's run through the indexes quickly. Like I said, nothing has changed. There's some hope there, but basically you can't trade on hope. Hope in one hand, crap in the other. Squeeze, see which one comes through first. Okay, the pattern is the same, you know, just making lower lows and lower highs. So, I mean, we're really stretched out. I'll give you that, but I don't see any kind of pattern to get excited about. Transportation average. Okay, this is a better reversal, but same pattern. Lower lows and lower highs all the way down. Russell 2000. Nice reversal day. But it hasn't changed the pattern at all. We need the pattern to change. We need higher highs and higher lows to start forming. SPY, similar. Lower lows and lower highs. QQQs, same exact thing. Now this could change within 3 days, 2 or 3 days, but it has not yet. So until we see it, we're not going to bet on it. And individual stocks have, there's not one stock that I could find that even is possibly putting in a bullish formation yet. Anyway, that's my view of the market. Until Monday, this is TK signing off.